Welcome back to Prince Out. Today I will be reviewing the Next Nature Nike Dunk Low in the Baroque brown, black, and sail colorway. Just to get started in this review, the materials in this shoe are really crappy, but I really do like dunks. The craftsmanship is also pretty bad, but the colorway is still really nice, and I think the silhouette and the colorway are the only thing that really saved this shoe from being absolute garbage, hot, stinking trash, just doo-doo. But yeah, otherwise the shoes are pretty nice. I'm a pretty huge fan of them. I've already gotten the materials, they're not the best. Just kind of showing you the other shoe here, it gives you a breakdown of materials. There's no leather here. Usually with the leather, it's not a diamond shape that's in there. It's a different shape. It's kind of looks like a cowhide cut out of it. That's not there. So which means that this shoe is entirely synthetic upper, kind of more of a like rubber or plastic. Like the midsole, outsole both have very similar ways design. So yeah, that is also why it's pretty cheap design. I mean, this is me wearing the shoe for a week, and the creases on here are pretty outrageous, I would say. Just from regular wear, it's pretty creased up, as you can already see. So yeah. But otherwise, the shoes still look pretty decent, pretty nice. I don't absolutely hate them. I just wish that they would have used some better materials for these shoes, retailing for $125. I would definitely recommend no one buy these for full price. Definitely wait until they go on sale. Get them for below 100, probably like $75 buck range might be more of its value. Even for a colorway this nice, it's just not worth it. So yeah, it's a really brief review. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Let me know your opinions about this pair of shoes. I think they look nice, just the materials are dog shit. Alright, that's pretty much all the review. Hopefully stick around for the B-roll, the on-foot portion, and yeah, see you in the next one. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, all that. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention this. Go true to size in the shoes. Just true to size. Whatever you usually wear in Nike Dunks, go with that. And whatever you're wearing like your Jordan 1 High OGs, go with that. Pretty much it. Cool. Thanks for watching.